Let's learn how to create push notification topics with Choicely. Go to Push Notifications on the left side menu. To create a new topic, click on Create Topic in the top right corner. Then pick a topic that's used as an internal name. Next, write a title and body that are shown to app users. The users see these when they are picking what kind of topics they want to follow and what kind of push notifications they'd like to receive. Body is a short description of the topic. Attach this push notification topic to a mobile app by clicking Add. You can also upload a cover image for the topic. Once you've created this topic, you'll arrive back to the push notification topic list. Choose this topic to create the push notification. To learn more about creating push notifications, watch the Send Push Notifications tutorial. Now you know how to create topics with Choicely.